Hi guys, welcome back and to Quantlab tutorials. It was a bit of a time ago now, so this is the first one in a while. Today I want to talk to you about new features, and this is one of the groundbreaking new features that will be available in Quantlab in the time to come, and it will be about LLVM compiler. And for those of you who are not familiar with this, you can read more about this at the LLV.org site. And I just from here concentrate on the fact that it is particularly easy to invent your own language. And obviously Qlang is exactly that. It's a language of our invention. And as you probably know, if you run Quantlab, we have had our own compiler before from Qlang to machine code. And what is new is that there will be an option to run this to using LLVM compiler optimizer. And here we have some sample code that I've adapted from an online resource as a benchmark to see how fast you can get your assembly to go. And if you look at this code, it's just a correlation example, how to calculate correlation. And in this example, we are running it with 50 million size vectors. And when I press the secret Control Shift F12, you get to the so-called intermediate format of LLVM. And this is the input to the LLVM optimizer. It's the IR, the intermediate representation, which means that you can plug this into LLVM and then let LLVM do optimization and machine code assembly. So I'm not going to go through this. I'm just showing you that this is the immediate representation of the Qlang code. And then you can also press Control F12, and then you get the actual assembly dumped from the LLVM. So this will be the actual code that will be run in the LLVM compiler and get us the machine code results. And all this is done at compile time as usual in Quantlab. So let's see how this plays out. Let's run this code. I'm going to press F7, so we'll compile. And now it's also running the code because I have this attached to a table. And we put a timer around the correlation bit. And we can see that it runs this correlation bit in 900 milliseconds. Let's just press this once or twice again and see if we get speed ups. Obviously, this is a bit volatile in terms of what the computer is doing on the side. Obviously, it's running the recording right now, so the processor is a bit busy with recording processing. So, okay, so let's say 900 milliseconds right now. So how does that compare to the old compiler? So let's see. Let's run the same code, but with the old Quantlab compiling and machine code, and we'll see if we get any speed ups. Yes, as you can see, it's almost more than twice as fast. And this would probably be expected as we are using a world-class compiler with world-class optimization. And this is what I wanted to show you. We will be talking a lot more about the LLVM compiler options in Quantlab in the upcoming year or so, because this will be launched. Thank you very much.